Let's think about February 2025. Prime Minister Narendra Modi was among the earliest foreign leaders to meet the newly elected US President Donald Trump. And he was one of the first, just hours after he signed a plan to introduce tariffs. The optics were powerful since they shook hands, they walked along with each other, shoulder to shoulder. They vowed to double the bilateral trade of India and US to $500 billion by 2030. Now, this was a first between India and US across so many years. Cut to December, and India is among the highest tariffed countries in the world. Levies that dwarf even those on China, which had been in Trump's radar since his election campaign. While the US seeks to improve its trade balance with the world and India by increasing the sales of energy and farm products, India has only partially agreed on the energy sourcing front. Of course, farm products is a big call which India has not been taking at the moment. So this has been resisting access to the politically sensitive farm sector. Indian entrepreneurs are resilient and full of jugaad. In the months gone by, from February till date, most of them have found out ways and means to continue doing business with the US. Now, this is despite the lack of an India-US trade deal, and the exporters at some places and the US clients at some places are still largely absorbing the costs of the tariff as they wait for levies to ease. The veracity of the statement is proven from the fact that India's goods exports, mind you, not services, goods exports in November month was $41.7 billion compared to $24.5 billion in November last year. So this surge of almost 75-80% is the trick which you have found out. A company which is based out of India is selling to the US. The trick is to find out one company which is selling to the US and having 2 quarters of satisfactory results in spite of the tariff uncertainties. Now, if a listed company is doing well under these certainties, it will be flying high in sales and profits once the tariffs ease or the trade deals get set up. We've already identified such companies. I urge you to do the same.